Students, we are revising today some practical based questions on practical based programs or problems, whatever you say, on Panda series. Alright, so this is coming under the data visualization. Data frame also we have seen. Today we will see the Panda series. Okay, let us talk about the Panda series right now. What is Panda series? Panda series is a one dimensional labeled array. Alright, labeled array. Label means it will have the column row index actually. Labeled array capable of holding data of any type, integer, string, float, Python object, etc. The axis labels are collectively called index. Okay, Panda series is nothing but a column in an Excel sheet. You can compare, okay, indexing and selecting data in a series. Okay, so as you have seen, the data has been arranged in the Excel sheet in the similar way. Panda series also can be. Only the thing is that kind of grid lines and those things are not available. All right, that is the thing. So now let us see now how these things are functioning. Okay, so here it is actually we are creating a series. Okay, now let us see and pd dot series. Okay, so first of all you need to import pandas pd. Okay, then s1 equals to pd dot series. So you have given the elements in the series. So index equals to what? First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth has been given, and then print s1, then the series will be printed. Now you see how these things are happening. Okay, so now let us run the program and then see that how these things are happening. Clear? So these kind of things are parentheses are missing out here, so parentheses has to be given out here definitely. So because this is Python 3.x onwards, okay, 3.6 onwards you need to have version 3 onwards you need to have the brackets. Okay, so that is the thing. So previously these programs were executed in 2.7, that's why the error has appeared. Okay, so if you are switching from the version, okay, switching the version, okay, in that case what will you do? You have to definitely give it in this way. Okay, that is the thing. So now you have to give the print statement, print whatever you want to print, that is to be given inside the brackets. All right, so let it appear actually. Okay, so it has come. So first, second, third and fourth, okay, so has come as the Panda series, that is the index of the series has appeared in this way. Okay, data type. And so now if you want to remove this series, suppose I want to make this one and make it unexecutable, and then let us see what is actually being executing. Okay, what is actually come as labeled index. Okay, that is the thing. So now let us see. So what is being shown out here when we have not mentioned any index. Okay, so the default thing will be appearing out here as you can see out here 0 1 2 3 4 5, all these things are appearing. But when you have taken this one as index first, second, third, fourth, so customized index will be displayed. But if you are not giving, in that case it will start from 0 1 2 3 4 5 like that, as we had seen in data frame. Fine. So the thing is that, so in this way what is happened, just a fundamental series of a fundamental series can be created. Okay, so now let us see by opening another program. Okay, so and then see, we'll just check it out here how those things are operating. Okay, now you see we'll just edit with idle. Okay, so because these programs are already been saved, that is the advantage of having this particular thing. All right. Okay, so now let us see that how it is operating. So what has been given, this is the slicing of series actually being given, pd dot series 10 20 30 40 50 and index abcde. Okay, so we have taken here the index x abcde. So what is happening, so the in the index column abcde only will appear. So first of all s1 will be printed, then b, s1b means whatever with the value corresponding value of b, that is 20 will be printed, 0 means 10 will be printed, and then colon 3 means third index onwards, sorry, from the beginning to second index. So 0 1 2, those three index will be printed, and 3 onwards everything will be printed in this case. Okay, that is the thing. So now let us see once and then we will verify the output later. Okay, so let it be executed once. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, so here the every print command has to be changed because we have not given the bracket out here. Okay, so the bracket to be given, that is the parenthesis also. Okay, so you have to give it in this way. Everywhere you need to have the parenthesis like this. Okay, so otherwise 3.3 version 3 onwards it will not function. Okay, so the errors will be appearing. Okay, so the missing parenthesis, this error is actually appears when you do not close the parenthesis. So we are doing it in this way. So this is, we are just accessing the series elements in this way. Fine, series elements. Fine, so slicing of series. Fine. So now let us see and then run module. means you can say the slashing of series or accessing the series element. That's both the things are rightly termed. Okay, that is not a problem. Okay, so now let us see that how it is functioning. Okay, so now you see that this is the main series where the ABCDE index has come over here. Now verify the output. So S1 is the entire series has come, S1B means 20 has come. Okay, you can see out here S1 0 means 10 has come. Okay, and then what is the things, A means 10 has come, and colon 3. Okay, so what is happening, colon 3 means what, up to 3, that means 0 1 2 has been printed. So ABC here will be considered as 0 1 2. Okay, so that has been printed, and then 3 onwards, that means 0 1 2 onwards. Okay, 2 onwards, what is the things, then 40 and 50 has been printed. Okay, so that is the thing. So 0 1 2 3 onwards, I mean to say, so 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So this onwards, then 40 and 50 will be printed. So this is actually the slicing had been taken place out here. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way the slashing could be done. So now let us see, once when the negative sign will be given, what will happen. Okay, so now we are executing this one, and then say run module, and then so we are just doing it. Okay, so then we can analyze. Okay, so if the error comes, let's see what kind of error comes. Okay, and then everything will be clear from here. Okay, so that is the slicing to be done in this case. So you see out here when the negative index also has been taken. Okay, so when the negative index has been given, so what is coming, A and B out here. Okay, so colon 3. Okay, so here you can see, so first of all this one has been printed, and then 20 and 10 for this first statement is over. Now A and B has come. So minus 3 means what, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, that means these three data will not be printed at all, and then 10 and 20 will be printed. So negative index 1 will happen, then you have to count it from the right side of the array, that is minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 and minus 4 minus 5 in this way. So when you have given colon minus 3, then what is happening, it is actually control will come over here, and then what is happening, pointer will start printing from 10 and 20. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way you have to print it. All right, that is the thing. So in this way you have to think about the output. So once a program has been given, then the several outputs can be asked from it. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way you have to judge, okay, how the output to appear. Okay, and then say if you are giving out here, say once more we will try it out. Okay, say minus 3 onwards. Okay, minus 3 onwards. Okay, sorry, I have given wrong. Okay, minus 3 onwards, then what is going to happen. Okay, say run module, and then clicking on okay, fine. So now see what is happening, minus 3 colon I have given this time. Okay, so first 4 output you have quite clear about, and the last output we will check out now what is actually going to happen with this one. Okay, so this one, and now you see CDE has been printed. Okay, CDE, so minus 3 onwards. Okay, so what is happening, okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3, that means minus 3 onwards the printing will take place. Okay, so in this way you have to think about. Okay, that is the thing, sir. And one more type of slicing is also possible if you are giving in this way. Say for example I am just giving it print. Okay, sorry, print, and then say I am giving out here this one bracket, sorry, putting bracket out here, then S1. Okay, S1, and then say 2 colon, sorry, 1 colon 4, suppose I have given, then what will happen. So how many data, how many are there. Okay, so that is the things, my 0 1 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, so that is what will happen, from 1 it will start, definitely 1 will be included, but the 4 will not be included, it will stop just 1 data back. Okay, 1 means like 1 less, actually I mean to say. So actually 4 it will not go till 4, it will stop at 3. So 20 30 40 will be the output. Let us verify the output once, then we will be able to understand it. Okay, so in this way, different way you always will try whenever you are doing the practical, the data manipulation, how am I doing, how I am demonstrating you, in the similar fashion you can do it. See out here BCD. Okay, so what we had given out here, 1 colon 4. Okay, so means like, though even you have given the indices as 0 ABCD, you have mentioned, you have customized the indices, but the thing is that it will be considered as 0 1 2 3 4 onwards. Fine. So now what is happening, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, like this. So then 1 0, this is 0, this is 1. Okay, so it will take place 1 colon 4 like this. Okay, so 1 colon 4 if you are giving, then what is happening here. Okay, 1 2 and 3, 4 will not be included. So that's why BCD 20 30 and 40 has been have been printed. Fine. So that is why in this way you have to think, okay, your practical implementation. Fine. So this is the thing actually, these are the series 1 that you have to think of. Okay, so these are the different type of slicing have been shown, have been demonstrated out here. So anything is possible out here. Okay, and then print, if you are giving like this, say S1, now I am giving one like this. Okay, say I am giving now -1. Okay, minus, suppose I am giving here -1. Okay, colon -4. Let's see what happens, and then we will give that one also. Then the different type we will practice. So print and out here, and then see S1 I will give out here what, -4 colon -1 also I will give. Okay, -4 colon -1 also, -1 also I will give. Okay, then let us see that execution, and then it will work how, that also you will see. Okay, now let us see -4 -1 and -1 -4. So after you see a -1, okay, that is a problem. Okay, so now the thing is that what are you doing? Run module. Okay, we are executing the module out here. Now let us see how it is functioning. Okay, so let us execute this and then see the output. All right, then we will have clear cut idea. If the data does not come, in that case the empty data frame will be shown out here. Okay, so that is the thing. So now you come out here. So now we have started over here. Now you have see so many slashing command have been increased out here. Okay, so now you see series data type. Okay, so D type you have come over here. Okay, first 3 is not problem, A B. Okay, so -3. Okay, also, and then 20 30 40 has also come. Then you see series, nothing, no null series has been printed when you have given -1 colon -4. But from -4 to -1, how it has been printed, you see, -4 to -1, sorry, just a minute. Okay, -4 to -1. So -4 is what? -4 is -4 is what? -1, -2, -3 and -4. You are reaching till 20. Okay, so into both the cases you see the similar output has been appeared. Okay, -2 and -4 colon. Okay, so you can see out here. Okay, you are starting like this, -4 to -1. Okay, that is the thing. So -4 is this one. Okay, -4, -2, -3. Okay, -1 will not be included. Okay, that is the thing. That's why it always stops at 1 less. Okay, that is the thing. So in this way different type of outputs are possible with the series when you are trying out this one. Now let us see one more with this one. Okay, suppose I am taking out here print, and then say I am increasing some value out here. Okay, so what I am doing out here 60. Okay, and then say I am taking it out here 70, and then I am taking out here 80, and then I am taking out here E. Okay, then F, then G. Okay, then G. All right, E F G, sorry, like this. Okay, so 4 3 6, and then how many are 8 are there, sorry, then H. Okay, H also I am taking. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, so this is the thing. So now what is the thing? Slicing, I am just doing it separately out here. I am just taking it out and storing it in another program. Okay, another one. Okay, then just taking in a new slicing. Okay, new slicing program. Okay, now see control. Okay, so this is the thing actually happening. I am taking the index down out here, no matter. Okay, slicing of, this is the thing, I am giving the hash, that is the remark. Okay, so now what I am doing out here, print. Okay, print, and I am doing out here what, this indexing I am doing S1, print S1, then I am giving out here -4. Okay, colon minus, not -4, I am giving out here -6 or -7. Okay, -7 colon, and then I am taking -2, and then colon I am giving -2 out here, sorry, -2 out here. So then what is happening? So there is actually, first of all let us execute it, then we will understand it better. Okay, so the thing is that this is the start, this is the stop, and this is the step. Whenever the step is 1, then no need to mention. So that's why in the previous program whatever has been taken place, we had not mentioned any step out here, since the step is actually -1. Okay, that is the thing. What, sorry, 1. Okay, but other than this you have to mention. Okay, so -2, 7, -7, -2 colon -2. Okay, that is the thing. So it should supposed to jump. So -7 is coming over here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So 20 onwards it should jump. Okay, so 20, then 40, then 60, and then it will not go anymore. Okay, so that is the thing. So -7 to -2. Okay, so over here. Okay, let us see and run the program. Okay, then just execute it, and we will see that how this is happening. Fine, so let us see now, and then we will be able to understand it. Okay, so that is the thing. So I am giving the series slicing. Okay, slicing. Fine, and then clicking on save. All right, that is the thing. So these are the different way of slicing the series record. Let's see now whether it is how it is functioning. It's supposed to function in that way. Okay, so it has not been given anything out here. Okay, that is the thing. So no output has been given, but it's supposed to print in that way. So we are just changing it in this way. Just a minute, 2, and then so we are giving out here 7. Fine, now you see, check out here, so how this is functioning. Okay, so then you will understand. Okay, that is the things. So -7, so from 7th onwards it will be printed in backward direction. Now let us see what is happening. That is coming. Okay, let's see. Now we have to change this one also. Okay, all right, so then run. So all the negative things we have taken out from here. So whenever the data are not there, in that case the empty series will be printed. So the comments can be given in this way also to you. Okay, so that the empty series may be the possibility. Okay, so that is the thing. So now see, 30, 50, 70 has been printed. How? 30, 50, 70, because 2 inclusive, 0, 1, 2, so 30, then one step jump 50, then another step jump, how much? 70. Okay, so this is the 70. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 80 is having the 7th index, so it will just stop out here. Okay, so what is the thing? So it has been started with 0, 1, 2, 2, then step is 2, that means one step jump. Okay, then 50, then it will come to 70. So these are the several examples of data slicing that is happening in data frame series, Panda series. Okay, and you have to do the practical implementation of this one quite effectively. All right, that is the thing. Then only you will be able to handle the output based questions which may be given in the form of MCQ in your board paper or in your term paper, whatsoever you say. Okay, that is the thing. So you need to practice in this way by taking the different way. As I have seen in this case, if you are giving the minus sign, then it is coming empty series. Okay, that is also to be noted. Okay, so when the empty series might come. Fine, so in this way you will do the slicing. All right students, in the next tutorial video I will come up with some more output comments or framing the series in this way, and we will show you some more practical implementation of this. All right, till then, thank you students, stay safe.